Hello, today I'm going to be adding this Woodland Cottage Farm cover to my yellow paper house planner. So initially when I got my planner, I wanted to just stick it in there, and the only way to do that was by sliding the back end into this. Once you add that, this part is still floppy and I did not want that. I want it to be a part of my cover. So what I ended up doing was using just old Erin Condren covers or inserts. This was a school tracker which I don't use anymore, and this was the back of an Erin Condren cover. The way I did this was I slid these with the punch side out into the Woodland Cottage Farm cover, and then I just clipped it onto my yellow paper house planner. So there you have it. And this way you can still see the pretty yellow paper house cover with its personalization and everything, and it flips and turns along with your Woodland Cottage Farm cover. I usually just keep something pretty in the front, a little washi card for planning on the go, any appointment cards that I need to remember. I just have a month at a glance page, and this is for pre-planning events. So if I know that there's going to be a big event coming up sometime in the month, that goes into this page. This is followed by a vision board. The vision board is subtle. It's because my one word for the year was adventure. And this is just something I always like to remember, and everything in here is personal. This is a year in review page. This is where I'm going to write down the highlights of the year, like trips I've taken, funny things which happened, just things which I could later use while making a year in reviewed spread. I do have October to May right now in this planner, and that's because there are a few things which I want to remember from October, November, and December, and my semester ends in May. May is when I graduate from school, so this is all I have. Besides, I carry this planner everywhere and I did not want it to be too chunky, and so I did uncoil and recoil my planner. And if you want to see a video of that, please check out the link. That will show you how I uncoiled and recoiled my planner. Here's January. So for the months, the monthly overview, I would either write down stuff in pencil, which I know the dates may vary, and what I need to get done would go in pen. Things which I'm not sure of the dates yet go in post-it notes. So in my notes section, I have all my Tombow swatches, and I refer to these all the time while I'm planning, because if I want a specific color or a shade, I just flip to this. I didn't know about Tombow pens until I took Michelle's class, so Michelle made me do this. And I have an expense tracker with all the bills which are coming up. Then this is going to be the big expenses which are coming up every month, and this is going to be the savings which I'm tracking. I just keep a little thing here so I know where my notes are going to go. I also have a pen swatch page or a pen test page. So this was where if I get new pens, I just test them out here. These are my Distress inks, Prismacolor, different inks which I test on. I made this little removable dashboard pocket, and these I just keep coupons in. And this is with one of those Erin Condren coil clips. You can even get those from Anchor Lime Designs, which I really like. And this was the planner pouch, which came with an older Erin Condren planner. Different note cards, journaling cards, events, reminders, things like that. And these have always come in handy if you realize you forgot to give a gift to someone and it's their birthday, you can always, go to the store, buy something, slap a label on it and call it good. Or just write them a card. And this is again an Erin Condren cover which I repurposed. I have one of the Erin Condren pouches which I keep things here like upcoming events. And on the back I usually stick my school schedule or my week schedule, like an overview. I also keep some Erin Condren sticky notes in the back, and these are great for just taking something, making a note and sticking it in your planner. And this is where we keep different things like perpetual calendars, reminders, bills to be paid, all that on the go. And the top link usually has my pen. And this is how I carry my planner around. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you. Hope you have a great new year and a fun way of using your yellow paper house planner. Bye!